And now I want to tell you about the kit that we've got waiting at the library. It's a very simple kit. Watch.
This week's activity is a tub of Play-Doh that you can use to manipulate with your fingers, have fun with, and build things. Like, you can make balls and make a snowman, or you can shape it with your fingers, and I made a kitty, kind of. It can be fun to see what you can make and manipulate with Play-Doh, because dough is a lot of fun. Parents, today I'm emphasizing the skill letter knowledge. For younger children, letter knowledge means recognizing shapes and being able to tell differences between things that are similar. For older children, letter knowledge means recognizing letters and knowing their names, the sounds they make, and how they can look different. You can help your children build this skill through play. Take this Play-Doh, for instance. Help them make shapes with it, or challenge them to roll it out and make a letter out of it. Like C for Miss Cece. Having fun together is one of the best ways you can teach them any skill, not just letter knowledge.